Hello, my dear friends. Friends, I am Jyotirvid Pawan Kumar. Friends, you must have heard the Sanskrit term Maya. What does it mean? Maya is a sort of deceptive curtain created by God which hides the true reality, the truth, the ultimate reality from this physical existence, from all of us. While living on this earth in material world, we are unaware of our true nature, that we are Brahman. Our Vedas, the Mahavakyas say, Tattvam Masi, I am Brahmasmi, you are that. But we don't know it. We are ignorant. And this curtain of Maya is causing that ignorance. But it was necessary by the ultimate power to create this deceptive curtain was necessary. You will understand it gradually as you develop spiritually why it is necessary. It was necessary. It was necessary basically because we live in an action-based plane of existence. We are required to evolve through our own actions. And if this curtain was not there, then people will become too selfish. Right? They will just bother about their agenda, whatever they planned before birth. But this curtain of Maya causes illusion, and also it is the reason behind going astray from the right path. And nature requires us to awaken from sleep of ignorance in order to pierce through this curtain of Maya. Right? Now, if you are on a path to spiritual development or self-realization, then it is necessary, very essential, that you understand what Maya is and what it can cause, and then how to overcome it. It is essential. Unless you try to overcome it, you won't be able to know your true nature. And that is the ultimate goal of life upon earth, to have experiences in order to evolve so that we awaken from sleep of ignorance and realize our true nature. Now, in order to make it clear in this video what Maya is, let me read from this book, Autobiography of a Yogi. Right? You must have heard about it. It is a very popular book written by Paramahansa Yogananda ji, and he has mentioned Maya is the magical power in creation by which limitations and divisions are apparently present in the immeasurable and inseparable. Eko ham bahusyam. That was the beginning when ignorance started. And that was possible only through Maya, that one becomes many in order to enact this drama of life, so that each ultimately realizes the oneness, the true nature, by piercing through this curtain of Maya. Right? So we are unaware not only of our true nature, but unaware that we all are one. Right? We are different waves in an ocean. Right? Now, let me also read from one of the books written by the great Tibetan sage, the great Lama, Lobsang Rampa. You must have heard his name. I have made many videos on his teachings. in one of his books. The book is Wisdom of the Ancients. He writes, Maya is that which deceives, that which obscures the clarity of one's vision, causing a person to have illusions, frequently causing him to have illusions that he is far more important than he really is. So gives a person false value about himself or herself. He may have talked so much that he convinced himself of his own importance. See, another thing, very important thing Lama is pointing, talking too much, right? If you talk too much, now wherever it is necessary, you need to talk, yes. If you are discussing something, you need to talk. If you are giving a lecture to people on some subject, you need to talk. But mind you, nature has given you 2 ears and just 1 mouth. So nature wants us to exercise silence. You know the great Saint Mahatma Gandhi? He exercised practically silence on certain days in a week. It gives great power and also prevents you from having false value about yourself. Yes. Then further the Lama says, Maya is one of the big drawbacks with which we have to contend. This earth is the world of illusion, the world of Maya, and we must get rid of our illusions and face reality before we can go on to a higher stage of evolution. In order to evolve, we need to understand what Maya is and develop ourselves so that we pierce through this deceptive curtain and able to see the reality, our true nature. Unless we do that, we cannot have enlightenment, right? So this curtain of Maya is separating us from our true nature, from the ultimate reality, which the Vedas say, Aham Brahmasmi Tattvamasi, you are that. But that will be realized only when you are able to pierce through this curtain, deceptive curtain of Maya, right? Now, let me also mention Bhagavad Gita, the great scripture, right? And in Bhagavad Gita, chapter 7, verse number 14, shloka number 14, chapter 7 of Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna is telling Arjuna, Devi hi hesha gunmayi mam maya duratya mamamev ye prapdyante maya metam taranti te. What does it mean? Lord Krishna says, it is difficult indeed to go beyond the influence of my divine cosmic hypnosis. Here the interpreter of this shloka has taken the word hypnosis. Yes, it is a sort of hypnosis, isn't it? We get hypnotized because of this curtain of Maya and have false values about ourselves and do a lot of things which creates bad karma, and that becomes a great reason to make us earthbound, to come again and again forcibly in order to work out our accumulated bad karma, right? So hypnosis is the right word. I will read again what this shloka means. It is difficult indeed to go beyond the influence of my divine cosmic hypnosis imbued with the triple qualities. What are the triple qualities? 3 gunas, sattva, rajas and tamas. So if a person is dominant in rajas and tamas gunas, then the person is unable to pierce through this curtain of Maya until that person develops sattva guna, and sattva guna is dominating among the 3 gunas. See, each one of us has these 3 gunas but different proportions. I have made a video on that, right? Then further Lord Krishna says, only those who take shelter in me become free from this power of illusion. Now it needs to understand what does Krishna means when he says take shelter in me. Different interpreters expresses it differently, right? If you are following the path of devotion, then you think that just leaving everything to the God, Lord Krishna, whatever you do, you offer that to Lord Krishna, that is taking shelter in him. But in depth, if you go in deeply in it, then I find the real meaning is realizing your true nature and living in that. See, Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita says, Aham Atma. Your own true self is what Lord Krishna came here to represent. So if you realize your true self, you realize that you are neither this physical body nor this mind, you are witness consciousness, which is eternal. And you try to live in that. You separate somehow with your wisdom your physical existence from your reality, true nature. Then lot of your sorrow, suffering is removed. Right? So that is what Lord Krishna means. Take shelter in me. That realize your true nature and then live in that. Live with that consciousness. Right? So, my dear friends, if you are a truth seeker on the path of self-realization, then it is necessary that you understand what this curtain of Maya is and how to overcome it. Now, I will give you some takeaways from this video which will help. First of all, in order to develop power to pierce through this curtain of Maya, you must not talk unnecessarily, right? If you talk unnecessarily, as the great Lama, Tibetan Lama has mentioned, then you have false value about yourself. You think you are more important. The great sage Mahatma Gandhi, he exercised silence. That is why our sages, saints say to exercise silence. No, I don't mean that if it is required you don't talk. No, you do wherever necessary, but unnecessary talking, gossiping or small talk, avoid that. It will empower you and it will help you to keep on the right path, not having false values about yourself, right? And the other takeaway I tell you is to increase your sattva guna. How? The easiest way is by helping others. Love others unconditionally and help them. Whosoever needs any help which you can provide, that will be a great act which will increase your sattva guna. Do good to others, right? Try to overcome your negative traits. Sit in introspection. First of all, find out what are your negative traits. It could be greed, it could be lust, it could be any other negative trait. Try to overcome it. Improve your character. It will help you to accumulate more and more of sattva guna, which will then help you to see through this curtain of Maya and realize your true nature. Our ultimate aim is to do that, to know who you are, right? So I hope this video will help you if you are on the path of self-realization. If you have any comments or questions regarding this topic, you are most welcome. Thank you for watching.